You probably read the title of the video and understood that our topic today is the imperative verbs in the Arabic language. But before that, I want to make sure that you have watched the first video of the past tense in Arabic series. Here we have the imperative verb signs. Sign number 1, first letter is حرف الألف, or the second sign is the second letter with sukun, or the penultimate letter with kasra, and the last letter with sukun. Do you remember al-wazn fa'ala or fa'ila that we learned in the past tense series? Okay, we will convert them to the imperative form, أفعل or افعل, أفعل or افعل. In past tense, فعل, in imperative form, افعل. For example, نجح, انجح, نجح, انجح. When you ask someone to succeed, you say انجح, انجح. سمع, اسمع, كتب, اكتب. درس, ادرس. شرب, اشرب. اسمع, when you ask someone to hear, اسمع, اسمع, اسمع. اكتب, اكتب, when you ask someone to write, اكتب, اكتب. ادرس, ادرس, when you ask someone to study, ادرس. اشرب, اشرب, when you ask someone to drink, اشرب. This verb in feminine form is اشربي, اشربي. افعلي, اشربي. In past tense, for male it was فعل, for female فعلت. For example, شرب, شربت. شرب for male and شربت for female. In imperative form, افعل for male, افعلي for female. For example, اشرب for male and اشربي for female. افعلي, ادرسي. افعلي, اكتبي. افعلي, اسمعي. Now, let's use these verbs in useful sentences. As we know, in Arabic language, we start writing and reading from right to left, and the sentence order begins with the verb, then the subject, and finally the object. But in the imperative sentences, the subject, al-fa'il, is hidden. It's just like in English when you ask someone to do something. You say, do it. But if you want to confirm the order, you say, you do it. Right? The same in Arabic. اصنعي محتوى لليوتيوب. Create a content for YouTube. اصنعي محتوى لليوتيوب. اصنعي, create, and it's for female. In masculine form, اصنع محتوى لليوتيوب. اصنع محتوى لليوتيوب. اصنع, create, in masculine form. اكتبي رسالة لصديقتك. اكتبي رسالة لصديقتك. Write a message to your friend. اكتبي, اكتبي, and it's in feminine form. اكتب رسالة لصديقك. اكتب رسالة لصديقك. اكتب, in masculine form. Now, let's test what we have learned with some nice questions. Choose the option that you see fit. Any of these verbs are in the imperative form and it's for female. ترسم, ارسمي رسم ترسم ارسمي رسم. Right. ارسمي. Imagine that you want to ask someone who is male to drink juice. Which of the following verbs would you choose? اشرب يشرب شرب. اشرب يشرب شرب. Right. اشرب. Any of these verbs has the wazn of أفعل. كتب اكتب يكتب. كتب اكتب يكتب. Right. اكتب. If this video helped you, I would ask you to go down and click like and subscribe to pass this video into someone else in this world. Thank you very much. Bye bye.